Are you in need of a personal loan of up to 25 lakh rupees? Look no further than NBFCs. Non-banking financial companies, that is NBFCs, are a great option for those seeking a loan without going through traditional banking channels. In this video, we will take a look at the steps you need to follow to get a 25 lakh personal loan with NBFCs in India. Before applying for a personal loan, you should check if you meet the specific criteria of NBFCs such as age, income, employment status and credit score. You should compare the interest rates, fees and repayment terms of different NBFCs to find the best option for you. To apply for a personal loan with an NBFC, you should gather your identity proof, address proof, income proof and bank statements before starting the application process. You should submit an accurate application form online or in person at an NBFC branch. After submitting your application, you should wait for a few hours to a few days for the NBFC to review it. Once approved, the loan amount will be credited to your bank account. Fullerton India is one NBFC that you may want to consider for your personal loan needs. They offer competitive interest rates, flexible repayment terms, and a streamlined application process. Click on the link in description to know more. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.